What is up, everybody? If you are needing credit repair leads for your business, then you are in the right place. Today, I'm going to show you how you can generate an unlimited amount of leads and sales for your credit repair business, and we're not going to spend a single dime in ads to do that. Without further ado, let's get to it. Okay, if you're joining me today, then that means you are so for real about getting leads for your business. Chances are you are maybe you're a startup company and you don't have a lot of, money to invest in ad spend, and honestly, like, it's just not part of the budget, right? Or maybe you've been at this for a while and you just want to scale your company and start generating more leads. For whatever the reason is, we're all in this together, right? My name is Crystal, and I am going to show you a simple strategy that you can use in your own business. And I guarantee, well, I can't guarantee, but I can guess that most of you are not doing this correctly. I have seen so many times people that say, "Yeah, I need leads for my business," and then I do a profile audit of their social media accounts, and they're not telling people how to pay them money. So this video, I'm going to show you how to do just that. Are you ready to get to it? Let's get to it. Ooh, goodness. Okay, so the first thing that I like to talk to my students about is, are you telling people how to do business with you? If I come to your social media accounts and you're telling me, if you come to me and say, "Crystal, I need leads for my business, but I don't tell people how to do business with me," I'm going to look at you like you're crazy. Because if you need people to do business with you and you're not telling people how to do business with you, then what do you think they're going to do? Not do business with you. So the way that we can fix that is we optimize our social media accounts to tell people how to pay us money. It's that simple. It really is. Think about this. How many times have you picked this darn thing up today? How many times have you logged into Facebook or maybe just opened the app today? Think about it. I want you to really think about it. And let's just talk about what you do when you get there. You get on Facebook, you're looking around. Maybe you're on the toilet. Maybe you're standing in line for the bus. Whatever the case, you know that you're sitting here scrolling. And you're scrolling, you're hearting posts, and you're commenting, and you're just talking about, whoever. And you're like, "Oh, I see Susie posted this, whatever, whatever." And you see the post, you stop for whatever reason, and you look at the post and you engage with it. You're doing the same thing every single day. Everybody does this. You'd be lying to yourself if you trying to tell me that you didn't, because I know you're doing this. Anyway, so you're scrolling through, and here's the thing: you're interacting already on these platforms. You're already there, right? And if anybody has a pulse, they're on Facebook. Okay, I'm sorry, but they are. There's like 3.5 billion monthly active subscribers. It has never been a better time right now to get leads for your business. Okay, but here's what you have to do: you have to tell people how to do business with you. Somebody shut the front door. Did you even know that? You knew that. Come on now. We got to do better than this. So, the point I'm trying to make is, if you're not telling people how to do business with you, then it's really, going to affect your business. So, here's my strategy. You ready to know the strategy? You ready? If you stayed 3 minutes into this video, I'm so proud of you. But here's the thing. What we're going to do is I'm going to show you a simple hack that you can do that will tell people how to do business with you. It'll collect the lead, and it will do this completely on autopilot. So let's get to it. I keep grabbing the wrong mouse. Sorry. Okay, so I'm going to show you. Let's talk about, what is it doing? It's not showing the right screen. I'm using new software. Don't judge. Okay, so I'm just going to tell you. I have a program. Well, I have a class, but you don't have to take the class unless you want to, which I highly recommend. But the Credit Repair Lead Machine is a blueprint. It is a PDF blueprint, and it's beautiful, and you will love it. I promise. You're going to sign up for that. It's $7, people. You can swing $7, okay? $7 is the cost of this. It's not cost. It's an investment. Let me rewind. Okay. It's an investment of $7, and that's it. And if you want to take the masterclass, we'd love to have you. We get you in and get you out, but it's less than $200, folks, and there's a payment plan. It's a no-brainer, right? So you take the class if you want to, but today I need you to download the blueprint. I want you to go through that blueprint and take the time to really do it. When you go through the blueprint, this program is designed to help you generate leads. And chances are, if I went to your profile right now, you could comment your name underneath this video. For the first 10 people, I will give you a free profile audit. Actually, if you'll comment with the word profile audit under this video, and make sure you subscribe to the channel and like the video and hit the bell for the notifications, I will give you a free I will personally give you a free profile audit for whatever platform you're on, but you're only going to get one for the first 10 people. Woo! So go do that now. Whatever. Okay, so now, after the profile audit, I guarantee I could go to your page and you're not telling me how to do business with you. And it's not just about dropping a link. Most people are like dropping links and they're thinking, oh, I got my business website. But that's not how it works, okay? You're not generating anything. You're not capturing anything. Do you know what this thing is right here? Okay, it's probably a makeup bag is what you're saying. But whenever I go to town, this is what I carry with me, right? Just in case I bump into someone that I may need to do business with, right? But what is the purpose of this? Tell me. Do you want to tell me what this is? Besides to collect my makeup and get stuff all over it. The reason I carry this with me to town is because if I bump into someone that I want to do business with, I need a way to capture their information. So you're interacting on this social media daily, probably before you say your prayers. And the thing is, like, you're not capturing anybody's information. You're not doing it the right way. And I'm not fussing at you, which I kind of am fussing at you, but you need a good fussing every now and then, right? Anyway, the point I'm trying to make is get the $7 blueprint. I'm not just trying to sell you something, but really I'm trying to sell you something because I know. I'm being silly, but the truth is, I know that it works, okay? I use it every single day in my business. It's how I've been able to survive the past year, during this pandemic. This one credit repair lead machine has changed my entire business, okay? I have over 300 students that can all attest to this. It is amazing. It is an amazing program, and I'm so glad that you landed on this video and you're staying with me for 7 minutes. Anyway, so first 10 people get a profile audit. I'll take a look at it. We'll talk about what you need to do, but click on the link below, get the $7 blueprint. I'll dance at your next wedding if it does not work, okay? But don't be coming on here saying, oh, she's got to dance at my next wedding because it didn't work. You got to do the thing that it's telling you to do. Don't be one of those people, okay? But are you going to commit to that? Are you going to commit to getting the blueprint? If you want to take the class, we'd love to have you. But if you don't, the blueprint will do it. It is a little bit more time consuming. However, if you're somebody that doesn't have a lot of time, you want to get in and get out, take the master class. My partner will teach the class, and he is amazing. We don't do a lot of what I'm doing right now, which is rambling. But I'm trying to make the video last longer. Anyway, so the point I'm trying to make is we are going to show you how to optimize your social media account so that you can generate an unlimited amount of leads and sales for your credit repair business.